Today I'm going to show you how to make clear slime without glue or borax. It's like jelly, but it kind of sticks a little bit. And you only need one ingredient. The first thing you will need is a container, a mixing utensil, and Suave Kids 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. First, you just want to squirt in some of your shampoo in. Now you want to keep on mixing until it has lots and lots of bubbles, or until it's whitish pinkish. Once you're done mixing, you just want to leave it out for a couple of days. It will turn out like this. But if you cannot wait for a couple of days, here's another recipe to bake slime without glue and borax. So the first thing you need is a bowl, Suave Kids, a mixing tool, and some salt. I'm just using kosher salt because I don't have regular salt. So the first thing is to just pump in some shampoo, and there are no exact measurements for this, so just go with your brain, whatever. Once you have added your shampoo, you want to just mix it until there are lots of bubbles. Once there are lots and lots of bubbles in your shampoo, you just want to add some salt. Then mix. It will start getting really slimy and really thick. So here's the slime. It's like jelly, but really, really sticky. So I'm just going to add more salt. Then I'm going to mix again. It's like getting into a glob of soap. Okay, now I'm going to take this out and put it on the table. It's like really, really slimy, but kind of sticky. If you want this to get clear, you have to wait about a couple of days if you want it clear, but this one is really fast to make slime. The first way, you can wait, but it will only use one ingredient and you don't have to do anything to it. I will check back in a few days for you to see how clear the slime is. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the clear slime that I made last time, which is the shampoo and salt slime, and I guess it's clear. So I'm gonna open it. Whoa, it's like really clear. Okay, now I'm gonna touch it. Okay. You can see that it's like really jelly-like, and it's sticky a little bit, but you can take it out just by washing your hands. And it's like really, really easy to make without glue. See, it's like really, really clear kind of. And it's jelly.